absolutely massive, giving you a 2 for 1 back with a neck. Switchblade from down. Here we go. Our veteran local rider out of absolutely picking those legs over the handlebar. We're getting a little drifty there. Nice on the extension with a Superman from Austin Rocha, the 17-year-old. Here comes Dustin Cantrell. Gold medal round. This whip bike around showing you. That is a stark mark. Diego's mother has him. Oh, nice little seat grab. The 80 hit absolutely insane and fast. Here comes Austin Rocha on that side. So again, the ladder, you guys get the better trick. They'll hold you. You guys gotta get some more heart attack. Holding on to that air. Here we go. He's showing he's got a nice double neck, kicking those legs. Ooh, heart attack back. That was awesome. All right, we're gonna go into our best trick. 2 passes. First up, we got Trent Lamell on the YZ450. Make some noise. On the blue light, 2.2 for Trent Lamell. He's going to dig deep in the bag. Make sure he knows. Here you go. That's Trent number 1. A lot of technical ability on these riders. All 4 of these riders. This is Austin Rocha. Like a there we go. Beautiful. 316 on the start bar. Make some noise all afternoon. So let's see what he's got on this side. Oh, no, front back this thing around. Oh, he's on it. Make some noise. Dustin Cantrell. He's lifting it. 180 degrees, flipping it. Dustin Cantrell, 2018 X Games gold. Again, 2011 has him. He's going to dig down and give you something good. Clean as. Alright, I think we got a tie. We need to get right after another. Again, this is absolute because they don't know. He's got to land it. Because if the face rider goes down, they all go down. He wants to see one more choo-choo show. That's number 2. And he played number 2. Absolutely love performing for the kids and the adults. They'll shake your hand. Just don't grab them, give them a